Run around, throwing that dirt all on my neck. Cause you knew that I call you out.
Baby, another word right here standing face to face. You already know that you won.
You just wanna you don't want my heart.
Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just wanna change. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you.
What are you doing to me? What are you doing?
What are you doing, huh?
What are you doing to me? What are you doing, huh?
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare.
The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling.
You've had it all.
You're gonna wish you had met me. Tears are gonna fall. Rolling in the deep. You're gonna wish you had met me. Tears are gonna fall. Rolling in the deep.
And you played
Tears are gonna fall.
to the beat.
Rolling in the deep. I used to believe we were burning on the edge of something beautiful, selling a dream. Smoke and mirrors keep us waiting on a miracle,
Say go through the darkest of days, heaven's a heartbreak away. Never let you go, never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride, driving the edge of a knife. Never let you go, never let me down.
Don't you give up,
Nah, nah, nah,
I won't give up.
nah, nah, nah.
Let me love you, let me love you.
When I hear them say Bellefield is next, I say, oh boy, good music now. Okay, the beatbox person, the bass at the back there, your entry was not accurate, but the musicians that you all just came back on and were very good. The highest point for me in the song was the Rolling in the Deep when you started. You do such a very good solo for that part. And it's a pity that we didn't have her doing you could have got it all, because lower down it didn't sound as good as how we know it. But it was very, very good, and I'm hoping to see you next week. But you have to get people to vote.
Oh God, Bellefield, yeah, I saw it on social media. I got with a bag of things, and this was quite entertaining. I quite like the fact that they incorporate the stomping of cockroaches during the performance. That was quite nice. I like the lead singers. Y'all are pretty good. Very good job.